Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I got a little excited and I went ahead, but I want to show you how we get into Canvas. So I'm already logged in, as you can see, into my Clever, and it tells me what school I'm associated with. Now sometimes it could have your name up here or it could look a little bit different. I hide my pages, so I'm going to show you my pages. So I just hide them because I really don't use them. So again, yours might look a little bit different. But what I want you to do when you want to search for your classroom is you're going to look for this button over here. It says Canvas. And you see how there's a heart right here? That's because I favorite it, because I use it a lot. So let's see what happens when I click that button. You see how it disappeared? So how you favorite an app is by searching for it. So Canvas is here. I favorite, and now it makes a copy of it right over here for me. So I don't have to go looking through all these apps every day to log in, okay? So you can do it for other things that we'll be using a lot, like we'll be using Teams a lot. We'll be using iReady a lot. We'll be using Nearpod a lot. And there is another one that we'll be using a lot. Think Central. That is where our math assignments will be. So I'm going to favorite that so it could show up in the top. Okay, so let's go to our course. Okay, and you see how over here it's showing me a course? So that's the one I'm going to click on. Now some others, like your special classes, might say art or music or computer science. Your class, if you're in Ms. Coma's class, is going to say kindergarten 2021. 2020 to 2021. Or it can say Ms. Coma's kindergarten. You click on it. And I'm going to go to student view because I really want to show you how it's going to look like when you're a student. So this is how the classroom looks when you're in here. Okay, so I have my banner, and this banner is actually linked on every page. So whenever you can click on it, it brings you directly back to this home screen. Okay, so this is my classroom. Welcome to the classroom. So excited to share this space with you. This is our word wall. This is another part of our word wall. Then over here we have some buttons. So we have weekly lessons, how-to video guides, where this video will be located. We have meet the teacher. We have a schedule. We have a contact Ms. Comas button. We have a daily morning meeting link button. We have literacy resource buttons, and we also have math resource buttons. And down over here, we have some student shout outs that we will be doing on a weekly basis, just to highlight some students that have been doing a really good job and working really hard. Okay, so let's get started with weekly lessons. So when I click here, it's going to open a tab and take me somewhere else. Now remember, this banner, if I click on it, takes me back to my home page, right? So if I ever get lost, I can just click on that banner and it'll take me back. Okay? So weekly lessons. Now let's say it's the first week of school. It's August 20th, so I need to click on the corresponding banner, which is this one, to look for my lesson. Now let's say it's Thursday and I just don't know what we're doing. So I'm going to go to Thursday. Oh, here we go. So for reading, we're going to be reading Kindergarten, Here I Come. The poem is Everybody Has a Name. Math, we're going to be reviewing Colors and Shapes. Science, What is a Scientist? Okay, so we basically do this for every day of the week that we have school. The first week of school, we only have 3 days, so that's why there's only Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. Okay, so how-to guides. I don't have many. Right now it's only going to be this one, which is basically a tour. But if you ever have a questions on how to do something, it will be in this video link. And then we have a Meet the Teacher button. And then basically it's just a little bit about myself. This is my son Grayson, and this is my daughter Lainey. And then remember, if I want to go back to the home, I just click that banner. And it takes me back home. Okay, let's see schedule. I actually don't have a schedule yet, so I'm not going to click on that. But if you did need to know a time, schedule would be there. I just don't have one yet. If you need to contact me, this is going to take you directly to email. And you see yasi.comas@bardschools.com. You can put your subject, hello, and then you put your message. Okay. Daily morning meeting link. When I make that, I will link that here. So whenever you wake up, you just come to your Canvas page and then you click on the link to go to our morning meeting. Literacy resources. These are just some resources that if you find that you want to work extra hard on your, on your reading skills, on your literacy skills, then you would come here. If you feel that your child is having a little bit of a hard time, you would come here and look at these resources and see what extra things you can do to help. So I'm going to click on my Miss Comas banner to take me back home. And now I'm going to go to math. Let me move over math. Okay, and then these are just some videos that we do on a daily basis anyways during our math block. But I just wanted to have that here in case, your kids ever wanted to go back and look through them. Okay, so I'm going to click on my home banner and go back home. And that's basically it for now. That's all I have. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of the classroom and just say hi and welcome. And I'm so excited for this school year.